This little board has 14 digital pins, 6 analog pins and 1 brain that control all of it. In the next few minutes you will know exactly what every single part does, even if you have never touched Arduino before. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hamza Robo. Today we are starting our Arduino UNO series for beginners. I'll teach you Arduino step by step in a simple and easy way. So if this is your first time, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Arduino is a small electronic board that controls LEDs, relays, motors, sensor, display and many other components. It's widely used in electronics, robotics, automation and die projects. Today we are not building anything yet. First I want you to fully understand the board in front of you so nothing feel confusing later. Let's go part by part. First, the USB part, we use this to connect the Arduino to our computer. It's used to upload our code and also power the board while we are programming. Next, the power jack, we use this to power the Arduino using an external adapter or a battery, useful once your project isn't connected to a computer anymore. Now the digital pins. The Arduino UNO has 14 of them, labeled 0 to 13. These pins control things like LEDs, relays, and buzzers. Next, the analog pins A0 to A5, 6 in total. These are mainly used with sensor, temperature sensor, light sensor, potentiometer, things like that. Now the power pins 5 volt, 3.3 volt, GND and VIN. 5 volt and 3.3 volt power different component depending on what voltage they need. GND is our ground connection and VIN let us external power supply directly to the board. Here is the reset button. Press it and your program start running again from the very beginning. And finally, the most important part of the whole board, the microcontroller chip. Think of it as the brain of the Arduino. It reads your code and control every single component connected to it. This is exactly why Arduino UNO is one of the best boards for beginners to start with. Next video we are actually using this board, blinking your first LED. Subscribe to Hamza Robo so you don't miss it, and I will see you there. Take care and happy learning.